everybody, it's Miss T, and I'm here today with another art lesson. Today what we're going to draw is we're going to draw an old-fashioned train on railroad tracks. So you need your crayons or markers or your colored pencils or your ballpoint pens or a pencil. Just please find something to draw with, and you need a piece of paper. We are going to be using our basic shapes like our vertical rectangles, our horizontal rectangles, squares, some ovals, circles. Okay, I hope you're ready. Here goes our train. So, the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna adjust my paper and we're gonna draw 4 rectangles towards the bottom part of the paper. Don't go all the way to the bottom because we're gonna have to draw wheels down the bottom. So at least leave a good finger away from there. So the first rectangle that we draw, this rectangle is the engine of the train. So we're going to draw our engine. I need to put some more paper underneath here. All right. So there is our engine. Okay. The next rectangle is going to be our coal car. Trains can carry cargo, and sometimes the cargo is coal. So there is that rectangle. These are starting to slant a little bit. Okay. Our next train car is going to be a passenger rectangle. The passenger car. So I'm drawing this rectangle. And then the last car on our train is going to be our caboose. So there is this rectangle. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the first car and we're going to draw a square right up here. This is going to be a square on the first engine. And then we're going to go to the caboose. We're going to go to the last car and we're going to draw a square up here at the top. On our third car, we're going to draw a rectangle that completely is the distance of the rectangle itself. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to draw windows inside of our squares and rectangles. So we're going to come up here, and inside of this square, we are going to draw another square. Inside of this square on the caboose, the last car of our train, we draw a square. And then when we go to our passenger, we're going to draw 2 windows. So we're going to draw 2 squares in here. Now when we have windows, that means that we're going to have people looking outside, from inside the train to outside to see what's going on. So we're going to come back over here to our engine. And we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to draw 2 lines for the neck. And I'm going to make the eyes. And I'm going to draw a mouth. Now, since this person is at the engine car, this person is going to be the conductor. So we're going to make sure to know that this person is the conductor. We're going to put a hat on them. So I'm going to draw a little oval. And then I'm going to draw right around this person's head, so it looks like that they are wearing a conductor hat. Then I'm going to come over here to my passenger car, and I'm going to draw a circle with 2 lines for the neck. I'm going to draw a circle, 2 lines for the neck. And I'm going to come over here, I'm going to come back to this conductor, and I'm going to shade this person in. Okay, so now I'm going to come back, 2 eyes, mouth, 2 eyes, and a mouth. You can always switch if you want to. I can take brown, and I'm going to color in this person's hair brown. I'm going to make her a young girl. And then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to put hair on this young boy. I'm going to shade in. So we have different skin tones. Okay, then I'm gonna come down here to the caboose and I'm gonna draw, you got it, I'm gonna draw a circle, 2 lines for the neck. I'm gonna put in my eyes and my smiley face, and I'm going to draw hair. This is a woman who works on the train. There we go. So we have all of our people inside of our windows. Okay, now we have to draw 2 circles on each rectangle, and these circles are going to be the wheels on the train. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to move this, and I'm going to draw a circle that touches that rectangle. I'm going to circle, it touches the bottom of the rectangle, and then I'm going to put a line from the center of the circle to the other center. So this connects the 2 wheels to make it look like it is the wheels on the train. So here's another circle. Here's a circle. I'm going to draw my line from the center of these circles to connect the wheels. Circle, another circle. I'm going to draw my line in the center of each circle to connect the wheels. I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to draw another circle. And I'm going to connect the wheels with a line. Okay, we're going to come back to the engine car, and we have to draw what we call a front train bumper. And that front train bumper is going to look like a triangle that comes down, and it's going to circle up around where the wheel is. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and color in this black, because these front train bumpers are black. I've never seen them any other color. All right, so once we color that in, then we're able to now draw the train track. So we're going to take a line and we are going to draw it right underneath these wheels of the train, all the way across the bottom of the page. So we're just going to take that line and we're going to draw it all the way across right there. And then I'm going to just leave a little bit of a space, and I'm going to draw that second line right underneath it, because this is our track that the train sits on. And now what I'm going to do I have that little scrap piece of paper? Gotta find my paper that I'm using to draw on. Okay, yep, I can use this. All right, remember I said you can use a piece of paper underneath it so you don't draw on your tabletop. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to draw a bunch of vertical rectangles that create the track of the train. So I'm going to start down here and I'm going to draw a vertical rectangle. I'm going to leave a lot of space. I'm going to draw another vertical rectangle. I'm going to leave a lot of space. Vertical rectangle, I'm going to leave space. I'm going to draw another vertical rectangle. I'm going to leave space. I'm going to draw a vertical rectangle. I'm going to leave space. I'm going to draw a vertical rectangle, and I can stop right there. So it looks like I have my track, my railroad track. All right, we are doing a great job. What we're going to do now is we're going to start coloring this in. Oh, wait, I've got to connect my train cars to each other. All right, so I'm starting off at the engine, and the engine, oh, goodness, I just saw something. Our coal car doesn't have any coal in it. So let's come back to our coal car, our second car. And coal is lumpy. You know, coal is used to burn to generate electricity. So it is lumpy looking, and it is also very, very black. So we could color this in really dark, or as dark as my pencil will let me color that. Oh, there it was. Oh, I just have to press harder. If I press harder, it gives me a richer tone. All right, now we're good. There's our coal car. Okay, so let's connect. We're going to connect the engine to the coal car with a line. We're going to connect the coal car to the passenger car and the passenger car to the caboose. All right, when we start coloring this in, our cabooses are red. So you're going to take your red color and you're going to come down here and you're going to fill in all of this caboose. And you're going to fill in here also that square that we did up here for the window. All right, so I'm not going to color all of this in. I'll show you a finished piece in a bit. I just want to show you how we're going to get started. Then you're going to come to the different other cars and you can take orange and we're going to color those in. So you're going to color these in orange. Boy, this is just shaking away. So you're going to color these in orange and you'll color in this orange and you're going to color in the conductor car orange. You would take brown or gray and you're going to color in your wheels. So I'll show you when you finally finish, it will look like this. This is what your picture is going to finally, your finished picture will look like. So what I also added up here, I added here clouds. Now I did want to show you that if you don't really know how to make the oval parts of the cloud look fluffy, then if you just want to do circular clouds, if you just want to do oval clouds, you can add oval clouds to your sky. I came over here and I drew the sun, and then I drew these V shapes, show where there are a flock of birds flying in the sky, because we can fill up this space with birds and clouds and our sunshine. All right, everybody, that is our train. And I hope you have a good time drawing one. And I cannot wait to finally see all of these beautiful pictures that I know y'all have been drawing. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you later.